Hey guys, my name is Tanish Sharma and you're watching No Chaos Policy YouTube channel. Guys, the thing is, No Chaos Policy, this channel is not basically a review channel of things in colleges. This is basically just a fun and comedy channel. Guys, the reason for me to do this vlog is that many parents and children are concerned about the college that they are about to join and the exam that they have to give. So I'm not going to talk about another exams like JEE or NEET, as I'm just going to talk about this Manipal Institute of Technology College and the exam that you have to give. So guys, before we start the video, please go subscribe to my channel, that's really important, and please go click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I make a new upload about Manipal University. And guys, please go like the video and comment on the video and ask me any doubts if you have in the comment section below. The reason for me to talk about this college is that I just passed third year. I'm in Manipal Institute of Technology. I'm currently pursuing bachelor's in mechanical engineering. So I basically know the ins and outs of this college and how to live a good life there and how to go about the college and the stuff. So guys, the basic things that I'm going to talk about in this video is a basic introduction about the college, entrance exam, as just I told you, orientation, if parents should go to the orientation or the first day of the college, and the basic intro about the food, what hostels are there. I'm going to talk about the weather, student plaza, Facebook pages, health, hospital, many fun places or hobbies related to the Manipal. So guys, this Manipal Institute of Technology or MIT has 17 specialized courses or branches, what you call, and 75 plus technical and non-technical clubs and 20 plus learning projects. Guys, the reason these clubs are important to join are because you can't let a student or a child roam around or just have nothing to do in their free time or in the evening, because these clubs help you make friends, make a good social circle, and is a great way to learn new things. So guys, when you join a college, please do enroll yourself in some clubs. It's called MET or MUOET. MUOET as in Manipal University Online Entrance Test, or MET Manipal Entrance Test. The basic syllabus for these tests are maths, science and English. English is really important. So guys, when I gave this test, that means around 3 years ago, I just completed my third year in Manipal. So the test was at 200 marks. I think it has increased to 300 now, and the competition has also gone a little bit hard or stiff, and so you need to work hard on your subjects. And guys, about the entrance test, it's not as hard as JEE or BITS and these entrance tests, because you don't have to prepare for competition like as in Akash or FITG or what you call Vidya Mandir and all these things. So it only requires your basic understanding and basic concepts of your class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So if you know the problems and if you try to solve a little bit ahead of your syllabus, like from RD Sharma or something, you'll be able to give the exam with no problem. So please guys, focus on your current studies, your 11th, 12th and all these things. You don't have to go an extra mile to get into this college, so it should be easy for you, but please do work hard. Alright guys, when you give the test, next thing what happens is you go to a nearby Manipal University college, like if I'm talking about Manipal Institute of Technology, MIT. So MIT Engineering, Manipal University Engineering branch, there are 3 branches of that. There's one in Karnataka, that is MIT main Manipal, and there is one in Jaipur, Manipal University Jaipur, and there is one in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. So guys, whichever is near to you, you can go to that college, and trust me, when you enter that place on your allotted day, you're gonna feel like you're in an auction. You're literally sitting and waiting there to get your seat. You're gonna call by your rank number. Alright, there will be a screen in front of you, a projector, which is showing all the 3 colleges: Sikkim, Manipal University, Jaipur, and Manipal Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Alright, and you're gonna see some numbers below that. Those are the seats, and onto the left side of those numbers, they're gonna be the branches. All right, so you're gonna be sitting there, and trust me, you're gonna be afraid. I was really afraid sitting there, because the branches that I wanted were like finishing up. All the seats were getting finished. So guys, you can also face this problem, because we don't always get what we want. All right, like trust me, I've seen many people who are just like they are hardwired into their brain that I only need computer science. I'm not going to choose another branch. So guys, what happens is that in the projector, like if you want CS branch and the seats are getting finished, and so out of anger, many people make some bad choices or the wrong decisions. Like they're gonna act like, oh shit, there's no seat for CS left, I'm not gonna take admission to this college. Guys, please don't do that. Please act wisely. You can get into some other branch, and if you have a good luck, obviously many people are gonna leave their seats if they get admission to some better college. So there's a chance that you might get upgraded to the branch that you want. Alright, so that is that, and plus I'm gonna make another video in which I'm gonna explain like you can also change your branch after your first year based on your marks. Alright guys, so please be tuned. And when they call you up on your rank, when you go inside, so you're gonna fill a form that the branch that you want, and they're gonna ask you to show your documents. So guys, when you get the email that shows your rank, they're gonna send you some more documents attached to it. Like please read those documents carefully. They're gonna explain all the processes that you will have to go through for the admission of your child, and plus they're gonna mention the documents that you're gonna have to publish at the time of the admission. So guys, please do read that. They're gonna ask you simple documents like your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your bank passbook. They're gonna maybe ask a cancelled bank check and all these things. So guys, please do read the document. It's really important. What happens is when you go to your college, the first day you're gonna have an orientation. So many children don't like their parents to come to the college on the first day. They might feel embarrassed. Please guys, don't feel embarrassed. Many parents are over there, and it's really important for the parents to attend that orientation. So guys, in the orientation, the college authorities are gonna explain you all the ins and outs of the college, the do's and don'ts. So please give attention to that, all the processes and all the academic processes, examination, placements, and all these things. I'm gonna give a brief explanation about all these things in the upcoming videos. So guys, when you get there and like orientation is all over, you have learned about all these things. So guys, please go and look at your child's hostel room, because guys, some children might have a problem of walking too much, or they're gonna have some problems with their knees. So guys, please see to that he doesn't face a problem over there, because some hostels are provided with a lift but some are not. So please pay attention to that. And plus, some children have sinuses, so there might be some water seepage into the rooms and all these things. So please pay attention to that. And if you're facing some problems, you can go to a hostel section in academic block 1, and you can address your problem over there, fill an application or something, and ask them to give some other room. So that's about the hostel. And guys, I'm gonna give a basic intro about the food, because parents are usually scared, and even the children are usually scared. Like I live in Uttar Pradesh. If I'm going there, my parents are gonna be like, oh, what are you gonna eat over there? Are you gonna eat South Indian food like dosas and idlis and all these things? As dosa and idlis don't have a problem, they're also fine. But the thing is that in the food courts and all these messes, they also give you many other options. Like every morning you're gonna have bread, butter, omelette, and all these things, and plus you're gonna get parathas and pohas. So please guys, don't think that you're only gonna get South Indian food over there. So be chill about that. And there are many messes like food court 1, food court 2, many attached messes with the hostel like Aditya and Annapurna. Guys, when you get there, please try food from all the messes. Whatever mess you feel comfortable in, like the food that you feel is great, and please join that mess, fill the application form, and enroll yourself over there. At my time when I got to the college basically had this rule that the first years only had to join food court 1. I think they have removed that rule now, and I believe that food court 1 doesn't have a great food, and other messes have like proper routine and all these things. So please go there and have a look at all the foods over there. So guys, next thing is what hostels are there for the boys and girls, and I'm gonna make another video like explaining all about the rooms and AC. You're gonna get the hostels for the further years, and that video is gonna come out soon. And so I'm gonna give you basic numbers whose hostels are there. So hostel number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are for the girls. Hostel number 5 and 6 are for the boys. Hostel number 7 is for girls. Hostel number 8, 9, 10 is for the boys. Hostel number 11, 12, 13 for the girls. Hostel number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are for the boys. Hostel number 21, 22 and 20 are for the girls. Alright, I'm gonna give you basic explanation and the room structure about the hostel in another video. And guys, I'm gonna talk about the weather as you're gonna go to Manipal at this time. Guys, in Manipal there is a lot of rain at these times. Rain season usually starts around at June or July and lasts till November. So guys, please when you get there, make sure you all have umbrellas, and please don't be under the misconception that raincoats are gonna save you. When you go there, please do buy an umbrella, because the raincoat is not gonna save you. You're gonna soak wet in that, and every day it's gonna rain. And if you're rich, please do buy 100 umbrellas, because I don't think even 100 umbrellas would suffice you. Because in Manipal there's a trend that people usually pick another people's umbrellas. So like when you go into the food court 1, for example, there's a rack outside food court 1, you're gonna keep your umbrella over there, and please don't expect that you're gonna get that umbrella back when you eat and come back outside. So guys, please note that when you go to food court or any other mess, even if the guards tell you that please leave your umbrella outside, do not leave your umbrella outside. Take it in, no matter if the floor gets wet. Okay, you're not gonna get your umbrella back, right? So that's about the weather. And guys, the main center of attraction about Manipal Institute of Technology is Student Plaza. Guys, Student Plaza is just basically a round infrastructure around which students usually hang out in the evening or at the night. So Student Plaza also has some shops for the daily needs, like you can easily get your soaps and all these things, things that you want to eat, juices, milk and all these things you're gonna get from there. You can also hang out there with your friends, and it's a beautiful place. It used to be Kamath Circle before that, so when I joined college, the Student Plaza had started building, so even I couldn't see Kamath Circle, and many seniors have told me like they have a special place for Kamath Circle in their hearts, and I couldn't see it, but I have seen it in the picture and it's also beautiful. But trust me, Student Plaza is also great. You're gonna have a great time over there. And guys, important thing is that like when you give your entrance exam and all these things, and when you get the rank, around that time the students of Manipal are gonna make some Facebook pages. I'm gonna tell you 3 Facebook pages that are really important, and you need to join them, like them and follow them. The 3 of them are, the first one is Manipal Freshers page. I think they're gonna mention your year 2020 to 2024, and please join that. You wanna get some important updates, and the parents and the students can ask questions on that. Like if you have any query, the seniors like us, we can solve your problems, and we can clear your doubts. So please guys, do join that. The next page is Student Councils page, Manipal Student Councils. So guys, that page is also important because Student Council is an official body. They're gonna give updates on that page, so please do follow that page. And the third page is Manipal University Trading Center page. Guys, MUTC is also important because when you get to Manipal, people often need to buy something like electric kettle and all these things, washing machines and all. So guys, I don't think I would prefer buying a new one, because like in these times seniors are also leaving the college, so they list their items on that page and they're selling it, and also in good working conditions, so you can go and check them out. And I think it's better to buy a second hand thing, but other than the new one. So please do check that page out, that's gonna really help you. and obviously you're gonna get whatever you need on that page, because that page is huge. And so guys, the next thing is health, hospital and all these things. For the parents, guys, please don't worry about your child's health, because if he has some problems or if he faces some problems, KMC, Kasturba Medical College, is a part of Manipal University, and they give the best treatment to the students, Manipal University students. So you don't have to worry about them. The treatment is going to be free, and the medicines will also be discounted, so you don't need to worry about that. But guys, please teach your children that don't act aggressively or foolishly on the streets. And because there are many cases like students in their first years act like crazy, and so they are speeding on the roads and they get into some accidents. So guys, in the case of accident, obviously the hospital is not going to save you. Please don't act foolishly and go to the beaches and go into the water, because that is a huge problem in Manipal. Many students are going to come from north, and they're obviously going to want to go to the beaches. So guys, please be safe when you go to the beach. Don't enter into the water, because in these rainy seasons there are often high tides, and there are many cases that students have drowned in the sea water. So guys, please take care of that. And guys, the next thing is hobbies and all these things. As I told you, Manipal has many clubs. Guys, please go join that clubs. Or if you're into sports, join a Manipal official sports team. There are many teams: cricket, basketball, volleyball, athletics team. Please go join that. And there are many football grounds, cricket grounds, hockey grounds. You can go and play in them with your friends, or you can go to Endpoint. There are many grounds over there. You can go and have fun over there. And guys, if you are into gym and if you want to play professionally, so there is a sports complex in Manipal that is obviously related to Manipal University, and that is called Marina. That is a sports complex, and it has many floors underground, because you know Manipal is not a plain area, it's hilly. So guys, Marina also has a crazy big gym. That is all the equipment that you need: artificial jogging track, indoor basketball court, football court, table tennis, lawn tennis, swimming pool and all these things, virtual gaming and all these things. It's really cool. You'll need to check that out. I think they're gonna take you at the time of orientation. So guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna wrap it up now. So guys, please go like and comment on this video. Tell me what you thought. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please share this video, because at these times parents are usually doubtful sending their children so far to their colleges, because this is the changing moment of their life. And so guys, please do share, and guys, please go subscribe to my channel. That's really important. And please click on the bell icon, so that when I make a new upload about the Manipal University, you're gonna get some updates. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.